What's up, guys? A little bit of a sad day, but it's progress for a new project, I guess you can say. Today, we're getting rid of old Blackety Black. With the growth of a family, two families merging in, getting larger, we're having to upgrade the vehicle, at least one of them. And right now, it's the smartest choice for me. I love this truck. You all have seen it. It's been one of the two flagship for our channel. But today is the last day for the old Ram. It is getting a new home. It is staying local, surprisingly. One of the local dirt track racers is purchasing it and going to use it. But stay tuned and we'll show you what this is going for. This one's leaving in the purchase of a new vehicle. I'm known for my lowered vehicles. It's going to be lowered also. But here's the new one. Welcome to Project 637.
Alright guys, I gotta run to Autozone. James needs a new sway bar. The bushings are bad, so we gotta go pick up a new one. Yay. So let's roll. One up here at Autozone. Get in the zone. Banana. Autozone.
Hang on, this grade with SLF. Hang on just a second. Okay, so grade SF5.
A few minutes later.
No, they were ordered from Hub. Okay, and this too.
Autozone, O'Reilly's, Racelands, Regions,
Volkswagen.
Volkswagen. There it is.
Volkswagen Jetta. Daddy.
New Speed. Let's see, what else have we put on in this episode? EPK.
Hey.
Machine Gun Kelly?
Yes. Yes. And boys and girls, we don't mess around. We actually put authentic Volkswagen parts back on the cars. I don't do aftermarket junk other than like the tie rod and stuff. It's about the same.
Except for wheels.
Coming down.
Well, coming down.
Was the clip not tight enough?
No. It wasn't all the way in. How's that?
It brought the spring up. You know how it had all
Right.
it brought it up to the body.
I do too. I mean, it didn't bring it up a whole lot at all, but it probably put a little bit more tension on the coil.
Yeah.
Is there no lock on those vacuums?
Huh?
There's no lock on them vacuums?
I guess
Every
not.
car, Dad, every car you buy, what you own.
Ah! Mountain Dew.
And now sponsored by Mountain Dew. Good job.
Well, we can't say sponsored. We're showing them what we drink.
Isn't that what Cletus and Sloan does? Get sponsored by them?
Yeah.
Probably.
Yeah, there's no. And I just got some shock absorb to it.
I mean, not much, but I mean, worst we can do is get the front buttoned up, get the front pedal done. We'll move the cars, take it for a run, see how it does pulling in and out of the driveway.
My biggest thing that like the front side.
She wants the door shut, but wash her hands.
Watch your hands, sis.
Good.
That's what I'm saying. What I'll do is once we get this bled out and we gotta get the swing bar link put on.
I didn't know that's where you prefer like to have it at. Or
I mean,
All right, James.
a little bit more.
Hop in and pump the pedal.
okay.
Pedal to the metal.
Pedal to the middle.
You ready?
Yeah,
Starting pumping now.
What do you need?
there's an 8mm wrench.
8mm wrench.
I found it.
You got it.
Holding it to the floor.
Hang on.
Oh.
Looks like it's still leaking.
You let me know when the
No,
bolt's
it's not. That was just the metal.
All right, keep holding.
Holding it now.
Oh, fluid. Pump it. Hold. Pump it. How's
We're
it?
getting a clutch pedal now.
How's it feel?
It feels good. Well, let's bleed it one more time. Holding it down.
All right, pump it up. How's it feel to you?
I mean, I think it feels good. How's the fluid?
It's clean. No bubbles,
Try it
no
with
air.
try it with your foot. Just your hand and your foot could be two different things.
Does that feel like it normally does? Better? Or
That feels better.
I mean, it feels okay.
you ain't gonna
I mean, it looks okay.
Watch out, baby girl.
not want to do
We
the
know now. We
master
now know
cycle.
your posture.
I
Yeah.
think it was just the piece in the floor that's bad.
I mean,
Okay.
it
There's
feels good.
fluid
Does it
all over
honestly? That's
that.
good.
Okay.
That's all that matters.
Yeah, exactly.
There's no leaks, so that's a win-win.
But a 20 twin.
All right, guys, gonna take a look at the rear and see what you all think. Now it's adjusted. I've adjusted it up to 40 turns on the height adjustment.
What do you think?
They come up about maybe
Oh,
an
it's on.
Guys, comment below the video. Let us know what you think.
Comment, like, subscribe.
Yes.
I mean, I think it looks good.
Can you back up a little bit?
4 turns in the rear.
It's just gonna be.
Yeah, plus that, you know, I had to play snow up against the body.
Looks sick. What do you think about it, James?
I like it. once the body work and stuff gets done to it, I think it will be just right.
Oh, yeah. So cold. Hate wintertime.
Guys, I think it turned out pretty awesome looking. I mean, I don't know how many inches we actually got. I'd say probably close to three in the front, 4 in the rear. But it turned out awesome. I can't thank Andrew, my brother Sean Bishop, Sean Long. They come over here Saturday, completely spent the whole day over here from morning to evening getting this thing done. Slave cylinder, bleed the clutch, new oil change, suspension completely all the way around, wheel bearings, lower ball joints. We went through the whole thing. The suspension is basically brand new underneath this car. We had some rubbing issue on the front tire. We had to kind of roll the fender a little bit. The car is getting body work done, so right now the fenders look a little rough, but we'll get it all lined out. Oh, yeah. But guys, we appreciate you tuning in and actually watching the video. If you haven't yet, please go hit the like and subscribe button, not only on Facebook, but also Instagram and YouTube. Share the page, share the videos, get us out there as much as possible. Anything you want to say? Anything you learned during the experience?
Learned how to lower a car for the first time, but
yeah. So hey, and this is one of many to come. So there's still gonna be plenty more. Guys, thanks for tuning in again. We'll catch you next time.
Keeping it moving. What are we doing? ain't moving, hey, keeping it moving. Like, what are we doing if we ain't moving?